Hello, today I will be teaching you how to make a heart ice cream. So the first thing we will need is a cookie cutter shaped in a heart and a styrofoam sheet. So the one that I have is just a leftover that I have there, so you can use any one. But mine is about half an inch thick. So I am taking my hot wire cutter and I am making sure to cut it in the shape that I pressed on. Make sure to make the cut in a very well ventilated area because cutting styrofoam with the heat can be toxic. So now I will be using our line of air dry foam clay in the color soft pink. If you wish to have more information on how to purchase my foam clay, add me to the Facebook page Boutique Poudre de Fee and contact me. Send me a message and I will gladly send you the information. Once you take the amount that you need, make sure to condition your clay, and if you find some dry pieces, just remove them, it's normal. With a baking rolling pin, flatten your clay and make sure to make it about, I would say, 1/4 of an inch thick. That way, when you apply it on your heart, it won't tear up. Right here you will see that I am applying it on top of my styrofoam heart without any glue, but you can definitely use some tacky glue to make it adhere better to your styrofoam. However, my styrofoam is a little dry, so it is adhering very well. What I'm gonna do now is put my hands on top of it and just shape it in the shape of the heart to make sure that it's going to stick well. And you see I fold it to the back. That you will see at the end how I will manage to cover the back as well. Now the heart covered in pink, I will take my yellow foam clay and I will do the same process. It's a little watery inside the yellow, but it's okay. Sometimes depending on the temperature, the color tends to detach a little bit from the clay, but you will just have to do the condition and like I mentioned before in order to have it all uniform again, the same color all over your clay. So you condition it and then you rub it there, and you take as well your rolling pin and you will flatten the surface, and keep watching, you'll see what I do. Some people prefer to have the cookie cutter to cut, let's say, like the icing on top of the cake. However, I prefer to do it this way because it gives a little bit of texture as well. So I am doing the texture on top of my heart, giving it the shape of, let's say, a cone. But you will see what I'm talking about. I do the same process. I fold the yellow at the back to hide any excess. A great way to do icing on top of our foam clay is to use our Stickles glitter glue. This color is called Sea Glass, and you can find it at any scrapbook shop online, or at your local shop. Now for our pink, I am using the color Hibiscus. I am adding the stickles in shapes of sprinkles. I will be using some fake sprinkles from our collection in our shop. This one is called Easter Egg Basket, and it has all the perfect colors to match our design. So I will be choosing only the half beads. And they're pearl, they're so pretty. I just love them. And I will be putting some liquid fusion, that is the glue, and I will just put the drops on it where I really want to have those beads. Now I will be using the color hot pink to make some beautiful hearts to put on my design. As you have noticed, I am not using glue to stick it on top of my soft pink because my clay is still a little bit wet, so it adheres very well. Now to give it a little bit of texture like an ice cream, I am using this a little brush, it has metal bristles to shape it a little bit like an ice cream. However, you can take a little fork, you can take a brush to give it that beautiful texture, simulating an ice cream. Now, to complete my design, what is an ice cream without a cherry on top? I am using our red foam clay as well. Let's give it some extra glitter to make it look so delicious. This time I am using some glue. I will brush it around the shape of the cherry in order to adhere the glitter that I will be adding on top. We have a full variety of glitters in our collection. We have fine glitter, we have a chunky glitter, and it is so pretty to use. You will see the design without glitter is not the same. I love bling. This color is fine red. I am using a sealer on top of the glitter so it doesn't fall off too easily. To do the stem on top of the cherry, I will be using a gold wire that I purchased at my local dollar store. You can find it also at any hardware store. This one is a little thick. This concludes my design, and I hope that you enjoyed watching. I do hope that you tried to make it, and I will be so happy for you to share my videos with your crafty friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you then.